Hello, everyone. Good day. Thank you for joining us today. And I am Vasant, and I am excited to take you through this transformative journey into the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning. In today's demo sessions, we will give you the glimpse into how comprehensive this program can help you position yourself at the forefront of AI revolution that's reshaping the industries worldwide today. Now, let's walk through our agenda. Before we dive into this session, let me quickly walk you through what we'll be covering today. We'll start with the current job market trends in AI and ML. Then we explore how organizations are strategically integrating AI. And I will also share you how our program can help you thrive in this AI revolution. Also, we will answer some of the frequently asked questions and we will introduce to our course curriculum and the uniqueness of this course. And we will introduce to our experts and the instructors who are going to teach this course. Finally, I'll explain you how can you secure this your spot into upcoming batches that we're going to run. And my goal is today you to provide you with the valuable insights. So let's get without getting any delay, let's get started. But before that, let me ask you a simple question. Why is AI suddenly gaining so much popularity across the industries? Why AI is suddenly everywhere? Every company is and from startups to tech giants are investing heavily in this technology. Let's look at the data from World Economic Forum and their future of jobs from 25 to 2030. So here is the job report that you can see. It shows that all the AI related roles are dominating the fastest growing jobs list. Roles like AI specialist, machine learning engineers, and the data scientists are projected to see unprecedented growth till 2030, which year on year increase growth of 78%. On a flip side, I wanted to take you a short notice on the fast declining jobs. That is, primarily the roles that involve repetitive tasks that can be automated. This isn't just a tech industry phenomena. It's transforming the healthcare, finance, and manufacturing, and virtually every sector of the economy. Now, companies are just hiring the AI talent. They are reorganizing their entire business model around the AI capabilities. From optimizing supply chains to transforming customer experience, AI is becoming the central to competitive strategy. Let me share you something more interesting. So companies are that trying to integrate AI effectively are seeing 40 percentage higher productivity rates and 50 percentage cost reductions in certain operations. And you can see companies are always trying to upskill or reskilling their existing workforce to better alongside. Close to 77 percentage of companies are doing this. And also 41% of the companies trying to downsize their workforce where AI can replace their work. And companies are also actively hiring new people with the skills to do better work along the AI side. So these are all the reports that we have got from World Economic Forum. Now let's look at the bigger picture of how AI is reshaping our economy as well as the how it is impacting the job market. Now, according to McKinsey, Global Institute estimates that AI could potentially will create approximately 20 million jobs newly by 2030. And companies, according to IDC, worldwide are spending on AI, and their spending is expected to double and reaching $632 billion by 2038. Imagine, guys, this could be very, very huge. This represents the enormous opportunity for the skilled professionals. And it is also impacting the economic growth. AI is expected to add close to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030, and more than the current output of China and India GDP combined together. And how the lifestyles are changing. And we are already experiencing the AI powered assistance and smart home automation, enhancing our daily lives. But this isn't just the beginning. There is more than to this, right? By 2030, McKinsey estimates that 375 million global workers are need to switch to occupational categories due to the automation and AI, underscoring the critical needs for the ongoing education and skill development. And this highlights the importance of continuous learning. And it's not AI is more powerful, but building them responsible is also crucial. This will create the more roles focused on specific learning on the AI ethical development. Now let's get clarify some of the terminals that are used. How AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI are different from each other. So artificial intelligence is the broadest concept, and and the machine performing the task typically requires the human intelligence. And and machine learning is a subset of AI where humans learn from the data rather than being explicitly programming. And deep learning is the specialized type of machine learning where it uses the neural network with multiple layers and particularly effective for the complex patterns. And generative AI focuses more on the content creation, such as text, images, code that never existed before. Our course covers all these comprehensively with a special emphasis on rapidly growing field of generative AI that create these kind of roles like machine learning engineers, NLP specialists, generative AI engineers, and deep learning engineers, and AI research specialists, AI engineers, and LLM engineers. Each of these real roles represents distinct career paths with exceptional growth potential. Now, let's talk about what matters to you, many of you, right? So, what's the current job market and AI roles in terms of salary and growth? I know many of you are interested in this. And for anyone that matters is the compensation and career prospects, right? Here are the stats that we are providing you. AI specialists and ML engineers consistently rank among the highest paid tech professionals globally, and entry level roles start at 8 to 12 lakhs annually, with professionals with 3 to 5 years of experience are experiencing routinely command of close to 20 to 35 lakhs a year. For the specialized roles like NLP engineers and generative AI engineers, the compensation can significantly as high as close to 40 to 60 lakhs for the experienced professionals. You can see here. But beyond the numbers, these roles offer exceptional career growth potential and offers the flexibility, and it also offers the opportunity to work on the groundbreaking technologies that are transforming how we live and work today. Then let me walk you through some of the common questions that you may have. What are the skills that these top companies are looking in AI and ML professionals? Now let me walk you through some of the research that is happening. You can see close to 2 lakh jobs are on Naukri, you can see on the machine learning and AI engineers. Now let me walk you through one of the ML engineer role that is given here as the job description. And these are all the job description that our companies are looking, such as develop and train the ML models, and they're also looking the AI strategy and ML learning, and what are the frameworks that one needs to learn around for this particular job description, and also the deep understanding of NLP deep learning techniques, and also how to deploy these models, right? I can also share you other job responsibilities of AI engineers on an Naukri platform. See, there are plenty of job opportunities with the plenty of knowledge that is required for this role. Now, you might be wondering, how can you build your future-proof career with AI, with the skills in AI and demand? The key is developing a strong foundation that allows you to adapt as the technologies evolve rather than focusing solely on today's trending tools. Now, you may have other questions that is there any course that covers everything so far that we have explained? That precisely what our advanced machine learning and generative AI program offers. A comprehensive journey from fundamentals to cutting edge applications. Here is our job oriented program that is carefully designed to transform you from complete beginner to industry ready AI professionals in just 14 weeks. And we focus on practical hands on learning with the real world projects that can showcase in your portfolio. So, our curriculum is structured to build your knowledge progressively. Here your roadmap to ML and machine learning engineering journey. We start with the Python essentials and data analysis fundamentals to ensure everyone has a solid foundation. Then we move to a mathematics fundamentals that requires the linear algebra, calculus, and probability basic understandings. And also we will cover you with the detailed understanding about the statistics, which require hypothesis understanding and predictive, descriptive, and inferential statistics. Then we move into machine learning concepts, covering both supervised and unsupervised learning and implementing the algorithm from scratch so that you truly understand how they work. Finally, we move into a course that will cover you a cutting edge era of generative AI, covering a large language models, prompt engineering, and building the applications for tools with like LangChain. Throughout the course, you will work on these tools such as Python libraries and AI frameworks and how you're going to model and deploy it in the production with the help of MLflow, Weights, DAGshub, and AWS SageMaker. Here is a roadmap that we have so far explained. Now let me walk you through our course curriculum. Like I mentioned, our course curriculum highlights the Python, mathematics, statistics, ML, MLOps, deep learning, NLP, GenAI, and its deployments. But before we go into everything, let me walk you through each topic. Under the Python, we cover starting with the introduction of Python that covers the installation and setup required. And we will also cover the data types, data Python basics, data structures, such as list tuples. And also we will cover some of the Python libraries that we will go into work in the lab sessions, such as NumPy. NumPy is majorly used for the array manipulation, and Pandas is majorly used for the data manipulation. We will also cover one of the data visualization tool called Matplotlib. And we will also help you with how to understanding file handling and the data processing using Python libraries. Now let's come with the detailed understanding about the mathematics and statistics. We will explain you what is linear algebra, what is vector matrix, and eigenvalues and eigenvectors. And also we will cover what is calculus that is required for this course. And we will also explain you what is probability statistics. That covers what all the key measures that requires for the ML engineering knowledge. I mean, we will also in detail explain what is this descriptive statistics and what is the inferential statistics, where you will learn about a lot of measuring methods, and we will cover with the hypothesis testing. Then comes the detailed understanding about the machine learning course. We will begin with what is the understanding of machine learning, how does it differ from AI and deep learning, and what are the type of machine learning that are currently available in the market, such as supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Under supervised learning, we will explain you what is regression and the classification. And the regression models are always used to predict a particular output. Let's say, for example, if you wanted to find out what is the mileage of a car based second-hand car based on the inputs such as car engine, what is when it is manufactured, and what is the displacement and horsepower. Based on that, you will be able to predict what is the mileage of the output, mileage of the car. So we will use the regression model here. Similarly, what is classification? If a person wanted to, if you wanted to define whether he is a diabetic or he belongs to non-diabetic, or even under the diabetic, if he is a diabetes mellitus or insipidus, if you wanted to classify them, you will use the classification model. And similarly, we will teach you about the unsupervised learning, where we will use the clustering techniques. Along with that, we will teach you what is the data processing and feature engineering techniques. And we will also help you with the understanding how to evaluate the model that we have built. And apart from that, you will learn how to optimize that model, and you will also trying to do what is the feature selection and the importance of feature selection for that particular model. And here comes the ensemble learning, where it tries to improve the score of the machine learning model, such as bagging and boosting. And we'll also help you with understanding on what is reinforcement learning and what all the type of reinforcement learning available to us. And finally, and at the end of the machine learning, we will help you to understand how do you do the model deployment by using these tools such as GitHub, DVC, MLflow, and we will try to deploy these models. So for that is the understanding of the machine learning. Then we will teach you about the generative AI. Under the generative AI, we will explain you what is NLP. And before that, we will also cover you deep learning and what are the fundamentals of neural networks and what are the frameworks that we use. TensorFlow and PyTorch are the one few frameworks that are very much in popular for deep learning mechanisms. And we will explain you one project with the TensorFlow, and we'll also explain you what is PyTorch and how do we work on this any particular project using deep learning algorithms. Next comes the natural language processing. In this course, natural language processing is nothing but how a multiple language a machine can understand and it can give us the output. So we will explain you what is natural language processing and how does the text processing works. And we will explain you what is word representation and text classification and sentimental analysis. And we will explain you what is RNN and LSTM. So have you anyone of you know what is sentimental analysis? Right. So sentimental analysis is nothing but whenever corporate companies or anyone try to introduce a new product into the market, they wanted to understand what is the psychological behavior of that product and the people who wants to buy that product, what is their natural choice for that. Using NLP language processing algorithms and new processing sentimental analysis can be predicted. How human will be able to buy this particular product based on his past learning experience, based on his past surfing data. So we will help you understand what is this sentimental analysis about. Then comes the the buzzwords that are popular currently in the market. LLMs. Have you heard of these terms? If not, let me explain you what is LLM. LLM stands for large language models. Whatever so far that you see nowadays, ChatGPT, Grok, Claude, that was built by OpenAI, Anthropic, and X, and there are other models that are available already in the market. You see a and DeepSeek, and which is currently popular in the market, and Alibaba has also introduced a new LLM model that you see every day. So how these guys are building so much popular, and all the data they're training so far available on the internet, and they are training it. And when you are trying to ask a particular question or asking them to prepare a presentation or the document, these models are easily giving how they are doing all these things and what is the fundamental analysis behind all these things, right? So we will explain you all those things. So that explains about the LLM. And the popular LLMs available are GPT, BERT, T5, and Llama. We will explain you in detail about these things. And we will also explain you how to train these LLMs and how to inference and deploy these models. So that explains you about the LLMs. Now let me walk you through what is LangChain and RAG. So what is LangChain? LangChain is one of the fundamental AI framework that is available to you to build an AI model using LangChain frameworks, right? So there are some core components that AI, LangChain uses. One of them is integrating them with the OpenAI or any other LLM model, or Hugging Face is one more framework that you use. And there are some fundamental concepts called prompt engineering. What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is nothing but it is a defined set of instructions that you give to any particular model or the AI model and trying to extract the information from that. So that is called prompt. And and any Gen AI, any AI model will try to understand your context around that particular topic, and it tries to understand the tone and tries to give the output with various fonts or the text or the images in any form. That is about the prompt engineering. And these days you will hear a lot of about the AI agents. And the next set of, do you know any one of you know that what is the current generative AI technologies is going to evolve into next technology? Have you ever anyone of you know? Right? Agentic AI is the next trend. Who's that? Physical AI. That is artificial general intelligence, which matches the human intelligence. These are all the next trend sets. But before that, you will have to understand all these technologies. You will have to work with a lot of data on the LangChain, and you will have to build all those AI agents using the frameworks that we will teach you. And we will also explain you what is RAG. RAG is nothing but retrieval augmented generation fundament. And we will explain you in detail about that. And finally, we will explain you so far whatever built on the AI models, we will help you deploying them in the model with one project. Finally, at the end of the session, what tools that you're going to learn? You will learn about TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, NumPy, Pandas, LangChain, Matplotlib, Flask, Hugging Face, and Llama. These are all the ML and AI frameworks that you will gonna work in your day-to-day life when you become a ML and AI engineer. We will teach you in depth about this. Finally, we have shown you what we are gonna cover under the course. Now, let me walk you through the course that so far we have explained and what is so specialized about this course. Let me highlight you what makes this program unique. It offers the no coding experience or nothing for any fundamental guys, fundamental analysis or understanding of this project or the course. So this course covers zero to advanced learning, and also it offers you the comprehensive live instruction with the recorded session for the revision, close to 100 hours, and the content that designed based on the actual job market, and that is required job roles for at a leading companies. And this course that you are going to learn are the experts that already working in the industry. So you will learn from the practitioners with the years of experience in the AI development. On also, you will build your portfolio that showcases your capabilities to the employers. How do you do that? Well, this three real world capstone projects will be added onto your portfolio and you will work on real time. And how do you reinforce human learning your journey through regular practice? We will provide you with the assignments and practice sets. And also, we will provide you the comprehensive resources to support your learning journey by providing you with the exclusive study materials and notes. Let me show you what are available. Here is the detailed curriculum and so far what that we have explained. And here is the detailed curriculum and the notes that is available. You can see machine learning introduction, Python learning, supervised unsupervised learning, feature engineering. And when you go into each module, we are covering with in detail what is the presentations, the notes that you wanted to see, and also what is the lab session that you're going to work on. We will provide you this one as well. And we will also cover you the assignments in detail about what you're going to work on. Similarly, we'll also cover you what is ML ops, and we will explain you projects for all of things. So we will share you at the end of the course all these things, or when at the end of the each session. Finally, our job doesn't end with just teaching you a course. We will provide you guidance on how do you position yourself in for the AI roles. How do you prepare for the AI roles, right? Then, apart from that, what is the additional learning that you're going to get it? Learning complex skills always requires a support, which is why we have built a comprehensive support system, such as 24 by 7 support access to our modules and get help whenever you need it through our dedicated platform. And also connect with your graduates working on the top AI positions. And also, we will offer you exclusive sessions with the industry emerging trends and every monthly webinars. And our community continues long after the course ends, provide you networking and continuous learning opportunities through your career. Now, the most common concerns I do here is, do I need any math genius or experienced program to succeed into this field? Well, absolutely no. We have designed our curriculum to start from basics and progressively build your skills. While some programming or data science background can help, it's not required. We have successful graduates from diversified backgrounds, including management, healthcare, humanities, who are now thriving in AI roles. What matters most is the curiosity and commitment to this learning. So this course is for IT professionals who are looking into transition into AI ML roles and the professionals who are looking for the high paying jobs. And not only that, this course is for the freshers and the students who wants to build in demand skills before they enter into job market. And also, this course is for the entrepreneurs or the product managers who wants to understanding increasing their AI capabilities and build the AI innovative products. Apart from that, this course is also for the non-tech professionals, anyone who are looking to future-proof their career in AI and ML field. And not to boast that, we have successfully trained many professionals from all these backgrounds, and who are all going to teach you about this. Your journey will be guided the industry experts. And here comes myself, Vasant, your instructor for machine learning, and who has more than 8 years of experience in implementing ML solution across multiple industries. I am specialized in taking the complex concepts and making them accessible for you with the real world examples. And next, Navin Moria. He's our generative AI specialist who has worked with cutting edge LLMs and generative AI techniques in leading AI labs. He brings the experience of real world insights in this rapidly evolving field. And both of our instructors focus on practical and job relevant skills rather than just the theory. And we understand many of you have the balancing work and other commitments. So we have designed a flexible learning experience, such as in our class schedule starts from Monday to Friday from 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. IST, which is perfect for the working professionals. And we will provide you comprehensive materials at the end of each session. And also, we will provide you access to on the recordings, and we will also provide you. We will clear your doubt in the doubt clearing sessions. We will have the regular doubt clearing sessions, and we'll provide you paid learning opportunities on the AIML. So this flexible approach ensures you can successfully complete the program regardless of your schedules, right? So what else you guys are waiting for? The last one is the one of the important slide that I'm going to share you is we are offering you free in-depth demo session on April 5th where you can learn from the experience from our teaching methodologies. And I would like to tell you this is not a session to explain you what our course. We will also clear you a lot of doubts related to this course. You can ask a lot of questions about the curriculum. You can interact lively with our instructors, and you can get clear whether this programs align with your goals or not. Definitely, this will be answered to you. Now, the interesting part is how you're offering this course. What is the price? Well, the course is fees only 19,000, and which is when you compare to other markets in the job, other training institutes, this is very less. But still, we do not say it is very cheaply. It is very affordable. And the timings I have already explained you. It starts from Monday to Friday, and the one who attend this sessions, the demo sessions, special discount will be applicable for them. And the classes all for these runs on the flexible hours, right? So if you have any questions on the demo or the course admission, you can call on this number, and you can also mail to us on this mail ID. And if any one of you have the questions on the course or curriculum, you can reach out to us through skillvane.in. There's a website already available on the internet. You can go and see them. Now, what are you waiting for? So, are you ready to transform your career into AI and ML? Let's see. See, seats for the upcoming batches are really strict and very limited, and this is mainly because to ensure you have the personalized attention and support each participant. Now, to register for this course and attend the free live demo session, you can simply join on this WhatsApp group, or you can comment and on this channel. We will provide you with the link. Or alternatively, you can reach out on this number 8466998040, or you can mail to us this on this number. And as we are wrapping up our sessions today, I wanted to emphasize one thing about AI. So AI isn't just another trend tech. It's a fundamentally transforming how works get done across the industry. The question isn't about whether AI will impact your career, it's whether you are ready to prepare to capitalize the opportunities that it creates. So our fundamental course on the Advanced ML and AI program offers you a structured path to develop these AI in demand skills. And with the expert guidance and the practical experience that implies value. So I invite you to join our free demo session on April 5th to learn more and see if this program is right for you. Now, what are you waiting for? Join our course immediately. Thank you guys for your time today. I'll stay online for a few minutes to answer any questions that you might have, and we will try to answer your questions. And we will try to make these sessions more engaging and so that your learning can be more prospect. Thank you. Thank you for your time.